Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn about noun possession. Possessive nouns are nouns that shows ownership or possession. Possession is shown by use of apostrophe. When a noun shows possession or ownership, etc., it is the possessive case. It answers the question whose. For example, Ram's bag is missing. So, whose bag is missing? Ram's. Second, he stepped on the snake's tail. So, on whose tail did he step? Snake's. We also use apostrophe, comma and s to show that something is related to another. For example, I went to attend the marriage of my cousin. So here we can see the relationship between cousin and marriage. So marriage of my cousin can also be written as I went to attend my cousin's marriage. So marriage of my cousin can also be written as cousin's marriage. Example 2. This book belongs to Ashok. Here this sentence shows us the ownership or the possession. It tells us that the book belongs to Ashok. So it can also be written as this is Ashok's book using apostrophe, comma and s. Now let's learn rules for formation of possessive case. We use apostrophe, comma and s with the singular nouns. The possessive case of the singular noun is formed by adding apostrophe, comma and s. For example, the king's palace. Here king is the singular word, and to show the belonging of the king, we put apostrophe, comma and s. So it will become the king's palace. Likewise, Ravi's kite. Now we use just an apostrophe with the plural nouns ending with s. Means we only put apostrophe, comma along with the plural words ending with s, like soldiers' uniforms, s tail, girls' hostel. For plurals that do not end with s, we use apostrophe, comma and s. For example, men's shop, children's toy. Men and children are the plural words without s. So we put apostrophe, comma and s with such words. Remember, we do not use apostrophe with non-living things. Apostrophe is used with abstract nouns which have been personified, means described as living person, like conscience sake, duties call. Apostrophe is also used with nouns denoting time, space or weight. For example, a day's journey, a week's stay. When several nouns are taken together, the apostrophe and s is used with the last one only. For example, Mrs. Smith, the chemist shop. Here Mrs. Smith and the chemist shop both are noun. So apostrophe will come with the last one. Here chemist. Another example, the chairman of the committee's report. Here chairman and committee both are noun. So apostrophe, comma and s will come with the last one, that is committee. Friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel.